until at last Pooh fell fast asleep and began to dream.
Heffalump and Woodle, Heffalump and Woodle, little honey, beware, beware.
They're black. They're brown. They're out.
They're down.
They're in. They're out. They're all about. They're far. They're near. They're cold. They're here. They're quick and slick. They're insincere. Beware. 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 The heffalump is very unusual. The heffalump very soft. They come in ones and twos, but if they so chooses, before your eyes you see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If one is what you got, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up and make you rise. They're green, they're blue, they're pink, they're white, they're round, they're square, they're a terrible sight.
They tie themselves in horrible knots.
They come in stripes, polka dots. Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here, too.